Hello, everyone. Welcome to English Learning. Let's start. Build your goal, build your success. Ladies and gentlemen, let me ask you one important question. Do you have a clear goal in your life? Not a wish, not a dream, a real, clear, strong goal. Because here is the truth. Without a goal, you don't control your life. You just follow what happens. Many people say, I want to be successful. But what does that mean? Successful in what? When? How? If your goal is not clear, your actions will not be clear. And if your actions are not clear, your results will not change. Let me explain this with a simple example. Imagine two people. The first person says, I want a better life. That sounds good, but it is not a goal. It is just a feeling. The second person says, I want to speak English fluently in 1 year, and I will practice 30 minutes every day. Now that is a goal. It is clear, it has direction, it has action. After 1 year, who do you think will succeed? The one who hopes or the one who plans? Here is something powerful you must understand. A goal is not something you say. A goal is something you build. And today, I will show you how to build it step by step. Step 1. Be specific. Your goal must be clear like a target. Don't say, I want to improve. Say, I want to improve my English speaking. I want to save $1,000. I want to wake up at 6 a.m. every day. The clearer your goal, the stronger your focus, because you cannot hit a target you cannot see. Step 2. Make it real. A goal must have a deadline. Without a deadline, your goal becomes a someday dream, and someday is dangerous because it never comes. For example, I will learn English is weak. I will speak English confidently in 6 months is strong. Now your mind understands this is serious, this is real. Step 3. Break it down. Big goals feel scary. That is why many people quit. But here is the secret. Break your big goal into small, daily actions. Let's take a real example. A young man wants to become fluent in English. If he only thinks about the big goal, he feels overwhelmed. But instead, he creates a simple plan. 20 minutes, listen to English. 20 minutes, practice speaking. 10 minutes, learn new words. That's it. Every day. Now, the goal is not scary anymore. It becomes something he can do. Let me tell you his story. At the beginning, he struggled. He felt shy. He made mistakes. He wanted to quit. But he had a clear goal, and he followed his small daily plan. After 1 month, he improved a little. After 3 months, he could speak simple sentences. After 6 months, people started noticing his progress. After a year, he spoke confidently. What changed his life? Not talent, not luck. A clear goal with consistent action. Step 4. Remove excuses. Let me be honest with you. You don't fail because your goal is too big. You fail because your excuses are too strong. I'm tired. I don't have time. I will start tomorrow. These are not reasons. These are choices. Because if your goal is important, you will find a way. If it is not, you will find an excuse. Strong people don't wait for the perfect moment. They create it. Even when they feel tired, even when they feel lazy, they move forward. Step 5. Stay consistent. This is the most important step because many people start strong, but they don't continue. Listen carefully. Success is not about doing something big once. It is about doing something small every day. Consistency is power. Even if you improve just 1% every day, after 1 year, your life will completely change. Let me give you a strong image. Imagine you're building a house. Every day you put 1 brick. 1 brick doesn't look like much, but after 100 days, 200 days, 300 days, you have a house. Your goal works the same way. Daily action builds success. Now, I want you to think about your future. Where do you want to be in 1 year? Still in the same place? Still making the same excuses? Or stronger, more confident, more successful?
That future depends on the goal you build today. Here is something powerful. A strong goal gives you direction. A strong goal gives you energy. A strong goal gives your life meaning. Without a goal, you feel lost. With a goal, you feel focused. So today, I challenge you. Not tomorrow, not next week. Today. Take a moment. Ask yourself, what do I really want to achieve? Then write it down. Make it clear, make it real. Break it into small steps. And, most importantly, start. Even if it is not perfect, even if it is small, start. Because the biggest mistake is not failing. The biggest mistake is not starting. Remember this, your goal is your responsibility. Your success is your decision. No one will build your future for you. But the good news is, you have the power to build it yourself. Be strong enough to choose your goal. Be disciplined enough to follow it. Be patient enough to achieve it. Because one day you will look back and you will see that everything started with one decision, the decision to set a goal and never give up. Thank you.